You've heard this, practice makes perfect, right? You know, I'm a member of the National Speakers Association. I speak to groups of realtors, so that's who I normally speak to. But I have a friend of mine, one of the all-time, in fact, she was the former past president of the National Speakers Association and the Arizona chapter, where I happen to be a member. And her name is Naomi Rohde. And I was talking to her about practice, and she said that, you know, for a 12-minute talk that she does for a new group, she'll practice 9 hours. So if you practice 9 hours to give a 12-minute talk in front of a new group, think of your listing presentation. How many agents even have a listing presentation? Now, every fearless agent, we all have a listing presentation that's maybe not memorized word for word, but it's step by step. We're not skipping steps. Every fearless agent has a pricing presentation. The purpose of the listing presentation is to sell them on you. The purpose of the pricing presentation is to get the seller to say, why don't we just underprice our house right off the bat so you don't end up with overpriced listings. No non-fearless agent has ever heard those words, of course. Every fearless agent has a for sale by owner presentation for those special folks. Every fearless agent has a buyer presentation. Every fearless agent has an investor presentation. Every fearless agent has a presentation to present offers when you get offers. And every fearless agent has a presentation for every little thing. It's a presentation-based approach. So you learn the right words to say in every real estate sales situation you'll ever find yourself in. That makes you more confident, but more importantly, it makes you more professional. And it gives your sellers and your buyers and your investors a much better outcome. There are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number two would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call. And we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.